Young's famous double-slit experiment, in which the researcher can determine, as he wishes, how a particle of matter will behave, had always been limited to tiny corpuscles. In more recent times, however, the effect has also been demonstrated for photons, electrons, neutrons, whole atoms and even molecules. That is, for larger and larger sizes. The latest news in this respect is that a team of researchers from Switzerland and Austria has achieved an absolute record by enabling complex molecules consisting of up to 40,000 individual particles to reach quantum superposition. 2,000 atoms at the same time. Larger objects once again. Researcher Marcel Mayer and his team say that quantum mechanics and its singularity is incredibly robust. They believe that, in future experiments, quantum properties can be achieved and demonstrated with macroscopic objects or even living beings. We have already discussed the similarity of concepts of radionic theory in relation to quantum physics, in the sense that, according to radionic experiments, it is possible to influence matter by means of equipment designed for this purpose. Especially when we have in mind normalizing actions on the vibrational framework on which the material structures we see around us are based. Continuing with this idea, the radionic operator and his apparatus face the possibility of establishing symbolic and physical configurations that influence reality in a positive way, both in tiny spheres and in larger ones, considering their vibratory and energetic levels. Both in simple and complex forms. Individuals and groups. We have already mentioned how the developers of radionics have always been people with a deep knowledge of science. However, the latest advances in quantum physics bring greater security and confidence to the operators of radionic devices, banishing the discredit that some seek to spread by considering radionics as a simple charlatanism with no theoretical or scientific basis.